Right. Yeah. That makes so much sense, and my nephew has some characteristics of being neurodivergent in the same ways that you are. And, it's really hard at bedtime if he's in a hyper focused state on his turtle slash frog slash fish. He has like an entire amphibian thing going on in his bedroom with all these pets.
Nice.
Then he's not going to want to go to bed if he's in the middle of, figuring out. And so our natural instinct would be to say, it's time for bed. Now you're going to stop playing with these amphibians, wash your hands, brush your teeth, and go to bed.
I want it.
Yeah. I mean, he's just not going to do that. So my brother calls it channeling. He says, you have to channel his energy. It's like, I wonder how turtles go to sleep, or I wonder how, whatever the other animals, how do they sleep? Let's find out. And then they find out, and he says, okay, once we find out, then you have to go to sleep to show them how you do it. And so I was like, that works, right?
Is your brother an educator, or he's just, he channels his own information?
He's also neurodivergent. So I think he's doing what he hoped had been done to him, Yeah, he gets it. He really gets it. So